In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Relume to Figma, quick and easy, 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get Relume content into your Figma file in just a few clicks. First, open the Figma website in your browser and make sure you're in the right workspace. Then, open the specific file and page where you want the content to go. It helps to have a clean spot ready so you can easily see what comes in from Relume once it's exported. Next, open Figma's Quick Actions. You can do this from the top bar by clicking into the search field or by using the keyboard shortcut if you prefer. Quick Actions is the fastest way to find and run tools without digging through menus. Inside Quick Actions, look for the Plugins section. If you don't see it right away, just type the word Plugins to filter the list. Then, in the search field, type Relume. You should see the Relume plugin appear in the results. Click it and then click Run to launch it inside your current Figma file. When the plugin opens, it may ask you to log in. Go ahead and authenticate your Relume account securely inside the plugin window. This connection is what enables the plugin to pull your components, styles, or sections into Figma. If you've already signed in before, it will usually remember you and jump straight to the interface. Once you're logged in, the plugin is ready to export to your file. From here, you'll see options that let you bring content directly into the page you opened earlier. Keep an eye on your Layers panel so you can immediately spot what's been added and organize it the way you like. If your team uses naming conventions, it's a good idea to keep things tidy as soon as they land. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. Make sure you're on the correct page within your file before you run the plugin, especially if you're collaborating with others. If you're working with large batches of sections, consider exporting in smaller groups so it's easier to manage and review. And after the export, double-check typography, colors, and auto layout settings so everything matches your design system. That's all there is to it. Open the Figma website, open your page, launch Quick Actions, select plugins, search for Relume, run it, log in when prompted, and you're ready to export. Simple, fast, and reliable for 2025 workflows.